In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a free business email on Hostinger. This easy and straightforward process will give your business communications a more professional edge without any cost. Stick with me as we walk through each step together. First things first, we're going to start by accessing the email setup page. Begin by logging into your Hostinger account. This should take you to your dashboard, a place you might already be familiar with if you've been managing your website. Once you're there, look for the Emails tab. In some cases, you might need to click on Website Builder first, then proceed to Website Manager, and from there, find Emails. Navigating this path will bring up the right tools to start your email journey. With the email setup page in front of us, it's time to move on to starting the free email setup. What you're looking for here is an option related to a free email service. This might be labeled as either Setup or Start Free. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to select the domain name you want to use for your business email. It's essential to choose the correct domain, as this will be the identity that represents your professional communications. So make sure you have the exact domain in mind before proceeding. Next, we get to dive into creating your email account. When prompted, opt for the free plan. This is the part where you choose the name for your email address, which will appear before the @ symbol in your email. Whether you choose info, contact, or any other relevant term, make sure it's something that clearly identifies the purpose of your email, as this adds to your company's professional image. At this stage, it's also crucial to create a secure password for your new account. A strong password is key. Consider using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This step protects your communications, helping you ensure that your professional matters remain confidential. Once you've decided on a password and entered it, you're just about ready to finalize everything. The last thing you need to do is click Create to finish up the process. And there you have it. You've officially set up your free business email. Congratulations. This new email address will now serve as a direct and professional line of communication for your business dealings. Being both professional and straightforward, it's a great asset for growing your business presence. Keep in mind, you can always access and manage your email settings by returning to the hosting dashboard whenever you need. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you can confidently use your new email to enhance your business communications. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more practical tips and easy to follow guides just like this one.